Hello my dear beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel one more time. In this video I am going to show you easily how to find and copy your TikTok profile link. So let's begin. First thing first, unlock your phone, open TikTok application and make sure you can log into your current account. After this app is open, look at the bottom menu bar, find the profile name, tap to open it. Once you are in the profile section, at the top of the menu bar, you can see this share icon. Simply tap on it. Then your QR code is appear. Simply look under the section, you can find copy link button. Tap on it and automatically copy the profile link. Now simply share this link your friend. Go back home screen, open any app. For example, I am open the Messenger app. Then find any person or group if you want to share, open it, then simply paste the URL and hit send, and that's it how you can easily done. Thanks for watching. Bye, take care.